Is your Bybit account as secure as it could be, or is it an open invitation for unwanted guests? Let's lock it down by enabling two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, in just a few simple steps. Starting from the Bybit homepage, locate your profile icon, usually in the upper right-hand corner. Click on your profile icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Security. This is where you control your security settings. Now you're on the Account and Security page. Look for the 2FA authentication section. It is usually near the top or middle of the page. Here you'll see several options for setting up 2FA. For this tutorial, we'll focus on Google Authenticator, which is a popular and secure choice. Click the Setup button next to Google Authenticator. Bybit will then display a QR code and a setup key. If you haven't already, download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key provided by Bybit. Google Authenticator will now generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. This is your second factor of authentication. Head back to the Bybit website, enter the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app into the designated field, and then enter your Bybit account password for verification. Click Confirm, and congratulations, you've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Bybit account, adding a crucial layer of security. Your account is now much safer from unauthorized access.